Trying to install Google Play games on PC and getting hits this frustrating error in NUFFFFFF. Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix this error in few minutes. So what exactly is NUFFF error? This error typically pops up when you are trying to install or launch Google Play games on Windows. It usually means one of four things. First one, corrupted installer files. Number 2, installation conflict from a previous attempt. Number 3, outdated Windows components. Number 4, Windows hypervision is not enabled. The good news, every single one of these is easy to fix. Let's get step by step. Delete the Google folder. Step 1, we need to remove any leftover files from previous installation. These corrupted files are the number one causes this error. Open the File Explorer and navigate to this folder. If you see a Google folder here, go ahead and delete it completely. Right-click, hit delete and confirm. If you see the folder is in use, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Look for any Google folder related and then delete it again. Once the folder is gone, we move to step 2. Step 2, this is a simple but super important. A lot of people just double click the installer and wonder why it failed. Instead to do this, find your Google Play Games installer file and right-click on it and select Run from Administrator. This gives the installer the full permission it needed to write file, modify system setting, and complete the installation without getting blocked by Windows security. Click Yes on the user account control prompt and let it run. Step 3. Make sure your Windows is fully up to date. Google Play games require a specific Windows components that might be missing if you have been skipping update. Press Windows Ctrl plus I to open setting. Go to Windows Update, click Check for Update. Setting, Windows Update and check for update. Download and install everything, including optional update. Once done, restart your PC. And now, here's the step 4, which one of the important things. Google Play Games visualization technology to run Android games on your PC. For the work, you need to enable the Windows Hypervision platform. Go to Windows Hypervision platform, Virtual Machine platform, and make sure boxes are checked.